Hello, guys. It's such an honor for me that recently, on the one day ago, a day ago, yesterday, I would say yesterday, I have received a comment from verified account on this particular YouTube channel. That's such an honor for me. I'm proud of it, and let me tell you the story. So when I come usually check my this YouTube channel and then see the comments. As you can see, this is the comment. She says thanks, only thanks, and then I noticed that Natalie Morris. Who is she? I don't know. And then I just click the name, and then seeing the channel. I what I see is she only has less than 1,000 subscribers. As per I know, people who got this what we call blue check or gray check or verified account, as per I know, it must be at least 100k subscribers. But for this madam, Natalie Morris, she only has less than 1,000, and then she has this gray check or white check. Wow, it must be something. I thought it must be something, so I searched for her name, and then I searched in the Google, and then I do my profile checking on her, and then I found she is a BBC presenter or news presenter. I I I never heard his name before, but when I saw when I do googling, she is exactly the news commenter or the news reporter. So she has another channel. I don't think this one is for a this one is uh solely owned by Natalie Morris, as you can see, redacted with Natalie and Clayton Morris. Okay, never mind. The thing is, this person, she comment on my YouTube channel, and that's really make me proud because as simple as I have three things I want to tell you guys. The first one is I'm confident with my English. Perhaps you think that my English not okay. What he said it's not really clear, and then my pronunciation, I don't know, whatever it is, and I believe from now and so on, I confident with my English because the Natalie Morris, she comment on my channel and then said thanks, which is she fully understand what I'm saying, and you're welcome, Miss Natalie, and I'm now really confident with my English. Even if I'm not native in English, I'm born in Indonesia. My native language is not in English. I never live in US or UK or Europe, and I just push myself to create this channel to push also as well. I push myself to learn English. So I'm become more and more confident because someone who presented, who a news presenter who which is the English is very good, US American native, she could understand what I'm saying. I'm really happy. And the second one, what I have to tell you is the benefit. If we create a benefit, it could be for everyone, even if a big star, maybe a Justin Bieber or just like me, the Natalie Morris. If you could create a good content or beneficial content for her, for him, for everyone, everyone would be attracted to your content. Whoever you are, it doesn't matter. The thing is, you just create content that beneficial for everyone, that useful for everyone. It should be great. Okay, so as long as you benefit for them, you can reach everyone. And thirdly, I just recently know, and from now I knew that if you want to get check on YouTube, it's no need to get 100k subscribers like she did, like this ma'am, this Natalie Morris achieved only 1,000, less than 1,000. She has the gray check on his account. So later, after this video uploaded, I will comment on this I will reply for her. I will reply her and then say thanks and then put this video link on the comment. Okay, guys, I just want to share this kind of thing. I don't know if you have insight from me, but I'm really happy right now. I'm creating this content. Very proud of me. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.